All right, so imagine yourself being a mechanic and you have to replace the axle on this car. Now this side isn't so bad, all right? This side would come off fairly easier. And with the amount of miles this little Honda has on it, I would assume that this axle's been replaced. But if you come over to the other side, if you're about to replace an axle on this side, I'm going to show you a little bit of New England stuff here. So yes, this is actually the axle nut, and this would require some extra labor to get this off. Now this is what the axle nut should basically look like. See that, all nice and shiny? Well, stuff doesn't stay nice and shiny in New England for very long. But if you have an axle replaced or anything, and it required additional labor, this could be one of the issues that your mechanic might run into that would require a phone call to you, whether your name's Mrs. Johnson or Bill Johnson, whoever. You'd say, hey, I need a little extra labor to get this done because, you know, it's not coming off if I don't use the torches. Anyway, till next time, like and subscribe. I hope this may have clarified what might entail extra labor. Have a great night.